Tigers, and welcome to KBIS News. I am Brody Clark.
And I am Peyton Williamson. We're going to start this morning with the pledge and a moment of silence, followed by some brief announcements.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
There are only 2 days left to shop the Spring Book Fair. Miss Hampson's homeroom is scheduled to shop today during library enrichment. Students with money to shop that are not on today's schedule can visit our fair from 7:20 to 8:55 this morning. Tomorrow will be the last day of our fair.
We will offer an extended shopping time until 10 o'clock, but you must get a book fair pass from your teacher before you come. There is still time to set up an e-wallet and shop our online fair. Don't miss your opportunity to enter a raffle for $100 worth of books and reading prizes. We look forward to seeing you at the book fair.
April Art Club is winding down this Thursday. Group will meet today to create another masterpiece with Miss King. So don't hop that bus and miss the meeting. Just make sure your ride is on time to pick you up.
Friday is going to be Fancy Tigers. Fresh off their state archery tournament win, the KBIS archery team will be selling another Friday Fancy donut. This Friday's donut will be Easter themed, so bring your $5 to help support the team and get that tasty Easter donut.
The band is also preparing for a trip to Six Flags on Saturday. For those members going on the trip, please report to the band room at 6 a.m. on Saturday morning. The bus will attempt to leave as close to 6:20 a.m. as possible. Those going should remember to bring some spending money, as a small backpack and sunscreen.
That's it for this morning. Remember, Tigers are ready, respectful, and responsible, and safe.
BIS is striving to be the #1 school in the state.
So do your best and win the day in every way.